The next OnePlus flagship is expected to launch early next year. Here's John Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about OnePlus 11. It's no secret that OnePlus is cooking up its next flagship phone, presumably called the OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 11 rumors are starting to heat up, and we already know a lot about what is shaping up to be one of the better phones from the brand. Rumors from notable tipsters suggest that OnePlus may drop the Pro moniker this year. This means the upcoming OnePlus flagship may just be called the OnePlus 11. OnePlus has historically been one of the first manufacturers to launch a new phone yearly. Most of the OnePlus flagships arrived in either March or April in the US, so we will likely see the same for the OnePlus 11. We are expecting the Chinese launch of the OnePlus 11 in January 2023, followed by a global debut in early spring. Even though rumors say we won't get a Pro model in 2023, we expect OnePlus 11's price to be similar to that of the OnePlus 10 Pro. It makes sense for the company to stick to the $900 price segment and compete for the same piece of the pie as its current flagship. Perhaps we will see a Pro model later in the year that can compete against more powerful devices carrying a $1,000 price tag. Until we hear otherwise, we think it will carry the same launch price tag as the 10 Pro, if not lower. OnePlus recently started tinkering with its smartphone designs to deliver unique looking devices that stray from what we have seen before. It switched things up a bit for the OnePlus 9 series and did it again for the OnePlus 10 Pro. The result, for better or worse, is a OnePlus 10 Pro that is now instantly recognizable. And if the leaked renders are something to go by, it looks like OnePlus is once again trying something new to make the OnePlus 11 stand out in the sea of other phones. The upcoming OnePlus flagship is an updated camera module. The phone has now a circular camera island featuring 3 sensors, an LED flash, and Hasselblad branding. It looks like the company will stick to black and green colors for its next flagship, and it's also bringing back the alert slider that went missing on the OnePlus 10T. Unlike other smartphones with a circular camera island, it looks like the OnePlus 11's camera island flows over to the left edge. It looks like the OnePlus 11 will sport a 6.7-inch 120Hz QHD Plus AMOLED panel, similar to the one on the OnePlus 10 Pro. You can also expect the phone to land with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The camera setup at the back will likely feature a 50MP primary camera and 48MP ultra-wide camera and a 32MP telephoto camera with a 2x optical zoom. It appears that OnePlus is also settling for a 500 mAh battery for the upcoming phone with 100 watts wired fast charging support. And that's everything guys. Let me know what you think about that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.